the kitchen. I'm making Afghani Pulao today. It's a very easy recipe. It's not as complicated as many people think. It took me a while to really get it together. And let me show you guys the ingredients that you need to make Afghani Pulao. Here is the ingredients. I'm sorry, I'm not a pro, so it's a lot of mess. I just try to be a little clean here. So this is 1 kg chicken. I know people use mutton. Well, I don't eat mutton, so this is going to be 1 kg chicken. This is more than 1 cup carrot, which I cut into like long pieces like this. Cardamom, we will just need a few pieces of this. Then we have some raisins. We just need half a cup raisins, some almonds. Then you have a little bit garlic, a big onion chopped. I have 2 cups rice, which is now in warm water. I just let that sit like this for a while. And for the most part, we will be needing sesame oil because it gives it that really nice taste. And look at this pumpkin, by the way. I'm gonna be making pumpkin ka halwa, which we call 𝗙𝗚𝗚 ka halwa, in my next video, so stay tuned for that recipe also. Now let's start. Oh, and I forgot the spices. We need a little bit of cumin seeds here. Then we need garam masala, about 2 spoons, 2 teaspoons salt, but to taste, you might need a little more than that later. And then you also need 2 spoons sugar, which I don't have here, but I'm going to be adding sugar later. Take a little bit oil. Again, this is sesame oil. Let's prepare the garnishing first, which is just saute your carrots. The raisins and almonds go in as well. So you're going to be frying slightly these yummy carrots and raisins and almonds together. This is also the part where you add some sugar. So 2 teaspoons sugar go in there. This is also the part where you add sugar. So 2 teaspoons sugar goes into this. Saute this very slightly. Don't let this burn, and your garnishing is ready. Now let's move on to the next step. Warm up some sesame seed oil. If you want more oil, that's up to you, but less will do. But because it's sesame seed oil, it's really not that bad for health. You can, if you like your rice really greasy, you can put a little more. We're gonna saute our onions until they're a little light brown and add some garlic into it as well. Now that the onion is nicely light brown in color, I can go ahead and add my chicken in there. Now fry the chicken until it also changes its color to like a nice light brown color. I'm also going to add the salt at this stage. Now that the chicken is a little brown, I'm going to add 2 cups water. Now you have to cook this on medium heat so that only 1 cup water is left in there. So let all the water evaporate. Let's take a look. Now we can see we have only 1 glass water left approx. At this point you're gonna add your rice. Because I soaked the rice in water, the rice itself has probably 1 cup water in it. Now just add 1 more cup water, just so everything is soaked and even, like so. And now you are going to turn your flame high. So on high flame, let this cook so the water again evaporates, and we have half of this left. So most of the water is gone. I mean, we probably still have a little left at the bottom. Yes, we do. And that is good. Now what we're going to do, add your spices, which is the cumin seeds as well as the garam masala. Okay. And also at this point, what I like to do, because I'm not a pro, take the spoon. I taste a little bit of it. If the salt is a little less, I can add a little salt at this stage. It seems that salt is perfect. Add your garnishing, like so. I'm gonna take a fork and set this up even and build a little hole here in the middle. It just helps for the water to evaporate quicker. Now you're gonna cover it up, cook again for another 10 minutes. Oh my god, I forgot my cardamom. Just a few. They just really give it that really yummy fragrance. There you go. So this has been cooking for 15 minutes at very, very low heat, and it looks like it's ready. You can test it really quickly like this, and it looks perfect. We are ready. Let me try this. That's delicious. I'm also glad I didn't add more oil because I don't like my rice too oily. You should definitely try this. This was really good.